Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question 18 divided by parenthesis 2 cube minus 2. So if you have this one is very difficult one, like no one can solve, no one most of the one and not solve this question, but you are the master in math and solve, then comment your answer. I will give them heart, and for those who failed I will solve for them stepwise with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, so what we have given here, the parenthesis part. So first we will solve the parenthesis part, but inside that we have 2 cube. So what 2 cube means? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 times 2, that is 4, into 2, that is 8. So 2 cube, that means 8. So we will write 18 divided by 2, 8 minus 2. 18 divided by 2, 8 minus 2, that is 16. As we know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we will solve from left to right. So first we will solve for this part. 18 divided by 2, that is 9, into 6, which equals 9 times 6, that is equal to 54. So here 54 will be the right answer. And if you want more maths question like then subscribe our channel, and must check out our 5 best books in the description. Thanks for watching.